ये उनकी डेब्यू फिल्म है, लेकिन आई एम श्योर काफ़ी प्रेशर में होंगी क्योंकि एक तरफ है नेशनल अवार्ड विनिंग डायरेक्टर और एक तरफ है नेशनल अवार्ड विनिंग एक्टर। मैं बात कर रही हूँ पत्रलेखा की। पत्रलेखा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू फॉर टॉकिंग टू अस एंड मैं सही कह रही हूँ, काफ़ी प्रेशर है इस समय क्योंकि दो नेशनल अवार्ड विनिंग इंडस्ट्री के इंडिविजुअल्स हैं आपके साथ फिल्म में। कितना प्रेशर है इस वक्त?
कुछ प्रेशर नहीं है।
कुछ प्रेशर नहीं है? तो मेरी थोड़ी इंट्रोडक्शन गलत हो गई, तो कोई प्रेशर नहीं है?
जी बिल्कुल नहीं, बिकॉज जो भी शूट करना था वो तो हमने ऑलरेडी कर लिया था। तो अब क्या का प्रेशर, अब तो मैं एकदम बहुत खुश हुआ। आई एम इन क्लाउड 9। आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट दे वन इट एंड I just feel privileged working with both of them.
Absolutely. मगर प्रेशर या तो मैं मतलब ऑफ कोर्स तब तो पता नहीं था दे विनिंग इट, बट अब अगर जैसे सिनेरियो हो गया, एक्सपेक्टेशंस काफ़ी बढ़ गई हैं बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स नेशनल अवार्ड मिल गया।
मैं बताती हूँ आपको प्रेशर किसका था।
हाँ।
I watched Shahid.
Okay.
And I watched Jayate.
अच्छा.
Both are fantastic films. So the pressure was, can I live up to the expectations? So on the set that was the pressure. अब क्या प्रेशर है? आई एम श्योर हंसल सर ने मतलब he took out the best out of me, I'm sure.
Absolutely. और जैसे जैसे रिलीज़ के दिन पास आते हैं वो आपको, क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स इट्स योर डेब्यू फिल्म, वो फ्राइडे फीवर जो कहते हैं, काफ़ी एक्टर्स से हम बात करते हैं तो हमेशा कहते हैं कि फ्राइडे जब आने वाला होता है रिलीज डेट, बटरफ्लाइज, इज नर्वसनेस, हाउ इज़ द ओपनिंग गोइंग टू बी ऑफ द फिल्म? वो यू फीलिंग एनीथिंग कि जैसे जैसे दिन करीब आ रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल नहीं, बिकॉज आई डोंट इवन नो व्हाट अ फ्राइडे मीन्स। इट्स माई फर्स्ट फिल्म एंड आई डोंट कम फ्रॉम अ बैकग्राउंड वेयर फ्राइडे मीन्स समथिंग। I come from a background where Saturday, Sunday is a holiday, so it's a weekend. So yeah, Friday doesn't mean anything. Maybe it will mean from my second film. Yeah. Because I'll understand what a Friday is.
I know. वो experience होने के बाद शायद second film में बिल्कुल होगा. But tell us, you know, if you take you from the start, from the beginning, how did City Lights happen to you?
So basically, I'm from Shillong, and then I went to a boarding school in Assam, and then Bishop Cotton Girls School, Bangalore. Did my 11th, 12th there. Then I came to Mumbai to do my HR college. I'm just giving you my background.
Yeah. Of course, we are keen to know.
And then I was in HR college and I started doing commercial ads.
Okay.
So I did couple of them, you know, BlackBerry, Tata Docomo, stuff like that. And then I started getting calls for auditions for films.
Okay.
I went for a couple of them and I was like, this is tough. This is not going to happen just like that.
क्यों ऐसा क्या कराते हैं auditions में?
कुछ नहीं कराते हैं. Competition is so tough. People are so brilliant. Like
because every other person wants to be an actor.
And people are so talented. It's not even funny. If you see the talent that is there in Mumbai right now.
There have been news about you and Rajkumar having a relationship. So not many actors talk about it. So, you know, when you read such articles, how does your family react and how do you react?
Nothing. I am a 24-year-old girl. I'm bound to be in a relationship. And yes, we are, and that's about it. Also, we don't want to talk about it too much because we are in a relationship. The whole world knows. We never hid it. But we just don't want our film to be
the limelight taken from us.
Because it is not important. Everybody is in a relationship, you know, these days. What's the big deal?
What's next? You know, where do we see any list you had that you want to work with so many directors or actors after this film at least?
I want to work with all the directors. I want to work with all the actors.
But who tops your list?
Now that I've worked with Rajkumar, I would not take actors or directors.
Actors, directors, whoever tops your list.
I want to work with Ranbir Kapoor. I think the whole India wants to work with him. What's the big deal of me saying I want to work? Yeah, there's amazing talent there. You know, there's Imran Hashmi, there's Ranbir Kapoor, there's I really like Siddharth. And so many, you know.
The Khans.
The Khans, but the Khans, I don't know, I haven't pictured myself yet. See, I'm still that not from the industry girl.
You're still not thinking in that, you have become an actor, this is the profession you're going to.
I still
I can see that.
Oh God, I'm like, oh my God, that's Salman Khan, I like him so much. So it's still that kind of a feeling.
On that note, thank you so much, Patralekha, and all the best for City Lights.